What is going on, YouTube? Back at it with another video for you. This time another evening ride. Hold on, watch out for people crossing the street here. Anyway, so I want to give a 500-mile update after buying the Rebel. What do I think of it after 500 miles? Well, I think it's pretty freaking great. It's comfortable. I went on about a 2-hour something ride today. Went almost 100 miles round trip. And yeah, it was great. A lot of bugs out there, but that's not the bike's fault. Had to stop a couple times to wipe the bugs off my visor and off my bike here. But yeah, 500 miles. So I'm just before the break-in period officially, and when I have to go get the 600 mile service break-in done. But yeah, the comfort is good. The bike has been flawless. Haven't had any issues other than rider error trying to not stall it. I've stalled it a couple times. Getting better at shifting. I've done a couple things already. I got a tank bag here, which I actually forgot to zip up. Not that I have anything in it right now anyway, but still, I don't like open bags. But anyway, I got a tank bag from Amazon. I think it was $25, something like that. It just sticks on with magnets, and the magnets are pretty good. I've gone up to almost 70 miles an hour, and the bag hasn't gone anywhere. This little strap helps. But yeah, I ordered a Shorty GP exhaust. I had it on. However, Radiant Cycles did not send me a baffle with it, so it was too loud for me. I had to take it back off, had to put the stock exhaust back on. But I do have a baffle coming. It's on its way, so as soon as I get that, I will put the Shorty GP exhaust back on and do some more sound clips. But yeah, the bike still sounds good with the stock exhaust. I just want a little bit louder. I want a little bit deeper tone. And all the videos I've watched on YouTube that have the Shorty GP exhaust, they all sound really good. So I'm hoping I won't get disappointed and have it still be too loud, because that'll be annoying. But yeah, the bike has been solid. Tires are good. It's stock tires. Don't have any complaints about them at all. The wind doesn't bother me. We get high winds up here in North Dakota, and yeah, I've never been like, oh my god, I'm gonna get blown off my bike. So yeah, I feel comfortable and stable on the bike. I really like it. I really like how you can see the display at night. I like how it illuminates like a blue as a background. I think that's really cool. Very, very visible at night. I like the headlights. Headlights seem to light up the road pretty good, so I got no issues with that. I haven't had any high-speed wobbles. Like I said, I've had this up to about 70 is the fastest I've gone on it, and yeah, there's been no wobble issues. It's been stable. The seats, I can comfortably ride for about an hour or so before my butt starts getting really sore, and then I got to stand up or do some butt exercises or just get off the bike for a little while. But that's nothing. The bike is still very new, so I'm assuming I'll have to break in the stock seat a little bit more. Eventually I do plan on getting a different seat, whether it be like the Gunfighter or the Mustang. I see a lot of people are buying the Mustang Tripper seat, I think it's called. Those are like 400 bucks. I just don't want to spend the money right now. That might be a next season thing. Oh, and then I got the frame sliders on, the front frame sliders. I'll probably still order some back ones. I'm not going to do the passenger seats because I don't ever plan on riding two up. And I haven't decided if I'm doing saddlebags yet, because I don't know if I plan on making this like a road trip bike or just a in-town, you know, bop around kind of go wherever bike. It's definitely not a touring bike. It could be, I guess, if you're brave enough. If you got an iron butt, you could do it. Or I guess if you got a better seat. But yeah, it's not bad. It definitely has enough speed and get up and go. You can merge on the highway just fine. You can get out of danger just fine. I get a lot of compliments on the bike. A lot of people see it and they haven't seen one before, so they're asking about it. So yeah, very nice bike. It needs a bath. It's got a lot of bug guts and stuff on it right now, but yeah, super solid bike. Definitely beginner friendly. I would recommend this bike to any beginner rider. So yeah, 522 miles on it as of today, as of right now. Every chance I get that I can get out on the bike and enjoy the weather, I will. It's absolutely gorgeous right now. It's a nice cool temperature. It's not hot, not hardly any wind at all, just a little breeze, and that's perfect. Yeah, super easy bike to ride, super fun, super comfortable, cruiser style but sporty as well. I like the mix of the two. A little bit of highway for you, and then of course you got the bugs that are completely caking my visor again. I have to stop and wipe these off. Jeez. Yeah, the sun starts going down, bugs really start coming out. But yeah, what are your guys' thoughts? If you have a Rebel 500, Rebel 300, even the 1100, Let me know what you guys have thought about the bike after 500 miles or so. Do you regret getting the 300, 500, 1100? I've been watching a lot of YouTube, and every time I think I've seen the end of the Rebel 500 videos, I found about 100 more. They're just everywhere. Everybody's making videos on this bike, and I see why. It's a great bike. So yeah, just a quick little update on the Rebel 500, letting you know my thoughts on what I think about the bike after 500 miles. Until next time, peace.